Here is how to troubleshoot the Twitter or X application when it's not loading tweets. First, make sure that you have the latest version of Twitter or X application. For that, you need to open your Play Store or App Store according to your device you're using, either Android or iPhone. Tap in the search bar and search for X or Twitter. If you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. If that does not work, tap and hold onto the Twitter application, tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info, scroll down, select Storage, click on Clear Cache, come back, try force stopping this application and re-enable it again. But if you're using iPhone, go to General Management, then go to iPhone Storage, find Twitter and upload the application and reinstall it. If clearing the cache does not work, try uninstalling the application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. As a last resort, you can reset your device and reopen X application. This should definitely help you fix the issue. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.